my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing, and I asked her to send like Christmassy kind of, you know, pieces. So let's see what she sent. And of course, we're opening her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here she is. Let's just bask in her glory for a moment, shall we? Haven't really given her a close-up in a while. She's beautiful. Look at her. Oh, aged to perfection. Here we go. Handy dandy. Works every time like a charm. All right. Well, maybe. There we go. She's great. Let's put her back away, shall we? She lives in my bottom drawer. Right, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, there's a referral link down below. You get $25 towards your first box. It's mine, you can use it. I get $25 too. We have the, oh, I put a little tag on it, I'll show you in a minute. We have the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. We have our stylus note and the price sheet right here. I missed the trash. Let's read that first and then I'll show you the bundle, okay? There we go. Hello there, Rachel. Happy Fix Day. How are you doing? Are you enjoying this beautiful, it says fall season. I think that's what it said last time too. It's winter. It's winter now. I'm loving the crispness in the air and watching the fall foliage change colors. Yeah, we haven't had fall foliage for 2 months now, maybe. Yeah, I don't think that, Madeline, I don't think you really updated your note much. Okay, because it goes on. I wanted to focus on some fun pieces for this cooler season that are perfect whether you are baking up some pies or sitting next to a bonfire. I live in a place, you don't have bonfires in December. You just don't. Now let's go ahead and jump in to take a look. To start, I have included this Kaylee black lace mock neck knit top for you to try. This top will look great paired with some dark skinnies. Finish it off with some heels or booties for a special look. Is there anything in particular you want to see next time? Warmest wishes, Madeline. Thanks, Madeline. I had asked her for like some Christmassy kind of pieces. So let's see. Let's see. Ooh, she's pretty. She's got pretty. There's that lace one. There's some pretty colors in there. I like it. Let's break her open. Okay, first up. We have the Kaylee Ramsey long sleeve knit top in black size large. Look at her. She's cute. Is it? Oh, okay, that's cool. So a lot of times this like slinky inside part, the slip part, it's not connected to the seam, so it like just slips all around in there. So this is definitely sewed in. That's cute. Kind of Morticia Adamsy, and I'm here for it. I like it. And then we have a, what are you? Oh, you're a dress. We have a green knit pocket V-neck dress, and it is the Market & Spruce Allison knit V-neck t-shirt dress in dark green. I'm thinking, no. I mean, it might be cute over leggings, but, and we have the Beacon, oh, the Beacon Octavia relaxed blouse in teal green, and she's really pretty. She's got kind of like a damask pattern going on there. She's pretty. I like her. I like her a lot. I like it a lot. And then we have exclusive. We have Pink Clover Neve front twist knit top in burgundy. So she's got a little twist in the front. She's kind of cute, kind of like a relaxed casualness to her. And last but not least, we have the exclusive Letty and Me julep cutout detail sweater in gray size large. And she has a little cutout right up here, which is a little scandalous. Not really. Just a little cutout right there for something different. So, a little sweater. It says gray. She's kind of giving like a icy, I can't think of the word, like a greenish, icy, I don't know. It'll come to me or it won't. Let's try stuff on. Okay. I have my black jeans on from Short Story Box. I think, was it my first Short Story Box or my second? I don't know. If you haven't watched any of my Short Story Boxes, my latest one, you can click. It's right over here. Right there. I like this top. It's actually a nice length for a sweater. And if I have my hair down, you can't even tell it's got those cutouts, but well, bam! There they are. It's kind of cute. Let me put my hair up. Hang on. Okay, hair is hastily clipped back. It's cute. I like it. I like where these cutouts are because my bra straps are over here, so they're not gonna be right there. I think that's kind of nice. I might even, if I keep this one, size up. Sorry, my card got full. I do like how it fits, but I do really like a little oversized too. But even if I cut this one, I think it fits fine. I like the length. It's cute. I'll try a little tuck. Yeah, no. Yeah, I think this one's really cute. I like it. Let's do more. Well, gosh, I like this one too. This one's pretty cute. Let's see, get it all adjusted right. I think it's cute. At first I was like not sure about the seam down the center, but I think it's fine. I like the color. I think it's nice. I like the V-neck. It's really soft. It's got nice long sleeves. Almost, not too long, but almost too long. Long. It's a weird word. Yeah. I think this one's nice too. Sorry, just like playing with it. Hey now. Yeah, this one's nice. It's nice casual, but still like got a little something going on for it. All right, let's do more. This one's really nice too. I like the color a lot. If you can kind of see that, like it almost looks like a fancy wallpaper from back in the day. You know what I mean, like the textured ones. The only thing I don't like about it is this elastic on the sleeve is like so tight. Like if this would have just been like a flowy sleeve, would have made it so much better. Because this is like I would probably have a mark on my arm by the end of the day. So it's really pretty. Maybe if you know your arms weren't as jacked as mine, they're not. It wouldn't bother you. It has a keyhole in the back. Otherwise, it's really nice. I think it's really cute, like kind of going out top. You could also wear it to work. It's the pattern and the material for me. It's really, really pretty. It's just that dang elastic there. All right, let's do the black lace top and we'll try on the dress and then we'll go over prices. Here we go. Okay, this top, very pretty. Need at least a size up in it. It is skin tight. But it is very pretty. The lace is beautiful. This is just my cami and my bra underneath. So obviously you just wear like a black bra with it. But the lace, man, is pretty. And this, don't put this on when you have glasses on because this it was so tight on your face when you're putting it on. But it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna highly recommend this top. I'm not gonna keep it myself unless like I could size up, but it's very pretty. The lace is not itchy or anything so far. I've only had it on for a few minutes, but it's pretty. It's a really nice top. Date night or whatever. And it's like still pretty modest because it has this built in. It's really pretty. That's a pretty top, you guys. Okay, let's try on the green dress. Here we go. Okay, I literally just said like don't put it on with glasses. So did I take my glasses off trying to take it off? No, I did not. I did it. I think I have this dress in black. Pretty sure I do. I hardly wear it because it doesn't have pockets. Otherwise, it's a really nice, you know, just everyday casual dress. Over leggings, I think this color would be really cute. But yeah, I just miss the pockets. So like they put one here. I'm not gonna put anything there, okay? Nothing's going in there. I don't smoke. I don't need to put my smokes in there. You know what I mean? But yeah, otherwise it's a nice casual dress you could wear over leggings in the winter, wear it like by itself in the spring, whatever. But let's go over prices and see what I'm gonna keep. I think I'm gonna keep, well, we'll see. Hang on. Let's go over prices. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go. Prices! If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and like these kinds of unboxings. Here we go. The Letty and Me, julep cutout detail sweater in gray, size large, $46. So yeah, I think that's the one I'm gonna keep, and I think I'm gonna see if an XL is available. So I do like my sweaters a little roomier in the wintertime, you know, because like you eat all the cookies and stuff and you just want a little extra room. Market and Spruce Allison V-neck t-shirt dress in dark green, $44. This was a really good price box, let me say that. Kaylee Ramsey Lace mock net knit. Oh my god. Okay. Ramsey Lace mock neck knit top in black, size large, $40, you guys. This shirt looks elegant AF, okay? If that came in, that was a size large, so like I would want an extra large or maybe even an XXL in that because the lace is so like skin tight. $40 for that. I'm gonna say it again so you guys can request it if it's still available or buy it from their shop. Kaylee Ramsey Lace mock neck knit top in black, size large, $40. Beacon Octavia relaxed blouse in teal green, size large, $44. And the Pink Clover Neve front twist knit top in burgundy, $40. Really good box. Really good box, I feel like. $214 for the whole box. You keep everything, you get 25% off. So $160.50 for those 5 items. I think is really good for Stitch Fix. The highest thing was the sweater that I'm keeping, and that's $46. I think that's really comparable with, you know, stores that you would go to. And I don't see anything with those cutouts like that in the store right now. Let me see if it's available in another size. I want to check on my phone. Real time, maybe. Yeah. I like it. What do you guys do for Christmas and whatever holiday you celebrate? Do you do like dressy Christmas with your family, or do you do like super laid back? What do you guys do? I accidentally just clicked on the Kohl's one because habit. This top is from Kohl's. This is in my video, I'll put it up here, my video where it's the best top from Kohl's. I don't know if it's available right now. They might have a few colors, but like this year, dude, I bought this in like 8 or 9 colors. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it is available in a larger size. My family just does, we do my husband's family Christmas Eve, and it's, you know, it's relaxed. We always look nice, of course. But it's like, you know, jeans and sweaters and stuff. Same thing with my family. We go to my family Christmas Day. And yeah, it's just relaxed. They have it in XL. Okay, I'm gonna keep that sweater in an XL, and it's gonna be awesome. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a really good holiday season, and I will see you next time.